Hey guys, spirit fingers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a mail haul and I'm so excited to unbox all these goodies. I do look a little bit different probably than I did in the thumbnail. Took the photo and then changed outfits, but so excited to dive into these. I know I've talked about it in previous videos, but I haven't been doing as many like PR or mail hauls because honestly, with everything going on with the coronavirus in the past months, I don't think brands are sending out as much PR packages, so I really haven't been getting enough to do them every week, but I'll be doing them as often as I can. So very first package, I actually unboxed this the other week, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm very excited. And whoop, this is actually from Huda Beauty. Look how pretty these are. So these are called, they sent a little paper over, the Huda Beauty Diamond Balms. And it is a soothing lip saver that adds a chic glamour to luscious lips. It says this is going to be your latest crush with 6 soothing glossy balms infused with the appearance of diamond dust for a super sparkly pout. I'm very excited. They are $29 and they've been available since March. I'm actually going to take off my lip gloss, which I just put on because I really want to try this. Kind of like pat it off. Okay, so there's 6 different shades. Let's actually go through each of the shades. So the first one is called Seductress. Ooh, these are so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but they have like all this glitter sparkle. This shade might be too light for the camera, but this is like a really pretty like baby peach color. And again, this is called Seductress. Somehow I was filming a giveaway today and there was a glitter that kind of exploded. And so now it is everywhere. It is all over all of my hands, all over the place. All right, next shade we have is called Dirty Thoughts. Ooh, and this one is like a really pretty purple shade. Y'all can probably see just like the sparkle and glitter, even like this far away from the camera. Really pretty. I love a good lip balm, y'all. Love it. One of my favorites is from NARS, which these might be my new favorites. The NARS, like, I don't know what they're called. It's like a gloss balm, and I love the YSL ones too. Next, we have a lace panty. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Can y'all see it? It's just like so sparkly. That is the lace panty. Love these names. Then we have Censored. Oh yeah, this one is like a purple shade. As you can see, the glitter. Okay, we have Negligee. This one's almost like a gray shade. And then lastly, we have Femme Fatale. And this, ooh, this is like a really dark berry. So I think that first peachy shade is what I'm going to try because honestly, I feel like it goes the best with my makeup today. I'm trying to look for a mirror. Here we go, here's a mirror. Ugh. All right, let's see what this is about. Don't even want to use it because it's so pretty. Ooh, it is like very balmy and comfortable. This would be good for beach days too. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I'm just gonna leave this on instead of like reapplying gloss. It doesn't really have color to it, but again, that's one of the lightest ones, so I'm sure the other ones you can probably see a little bit more color. But love this. Again, thank you to Huda Beauty for sending it over. Next package we have came from It Cosmetics. Ooh, your skin but better. So it says new, up to 16-hour makeup wear. And I think it's talking about, yep, this right here. The setting spray with a skin-loving hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and aloe vera. Aloe vera. I don't know why I said it like that. So it says perfect balance of wear and care. Ultra fine mattifying mist extends the wear of your makeup up to 16 hours. Skin loving ingredients instantly soothe, revitalize, and hydrate your skin. Use to prep skin, set makeup, or as a hydrating mist through the day. Pair it with your Skin But Better CC cream. And so they actually sent over a couple different shades. Let me grab these. And a brush. I love some It Cosmetics brushes. Okay, so here is the brush that they sent over. And they sent over 3 different CC creams. So we have neutral medium, medium, and light medium. And a big thank you to It Cosmetics for sending that over. All right, next, what do we have? This is from Club Pink, which is Benefit. I'm trying to, oh, there we go. I'm trying to find the scissors. I didn't know where they were. Ooh, yes, yes. This says a new Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation. I did not even know that they came out with these. Yes, and they sent me some pretty like tan shades too. They sent over 4 different shades. So it says weightless, a buildable medium coverage, waterproof. Ooh, that's good. 16-hour long wear formula, broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen with a natural finish. I think they have 12 different shades. Yeah, 12 different shades. So I'm going to try out. The 7 and the 8 look like a big bit of difference, but I am like really tan right now. I feel like, maybe not on my hands. My hands don't look as tan, but I'm only getting tanner, y'all. So, ooh, I don't know, is that too, I feel like that might be too dark. Let's put that back. Let me try the 7 first. And maybe as I continue to be in the sun, I can go up to an 8. I definitely wanna like try this out on my hand. Ooh, so there's that. And there's that shade. I mean, it looks like pretty good coverage. Definitely covered up some of the glitter sparkles that I have on my hand. So I'm excited to try this out, especially because it's waterproof. On days that I'm sweating, I think that would be really good to have a waterproof foundation. The next package we have is from Derma E. Ooh, okay, so first thing we have is the Derma E Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Cleanser. And then we have the Derma E Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Serum. There's so many companies I feel like that is doing the CBD thing. So, and then lastly we have the De-Stress Moisturizer, CBD. So, thank you so much to Derma E for that package. Oh, okay, next thing is from Fresh. I actually haven't received a package from them before, so this is really exciting. I think I actually had gotten something through Octoly, which is like a, I don't want to say a third party, but you know what I mean? They basically connect influencers with brands for specific products, so I didn't have anyone's contact information, so this is so exciting. So it says, hey Danielle, your favorite cleansing duo is enclosed, but bigger. Please meet the pumped up version of our best-selling soy face cleanser in a 400 milliliter bottle that's perfect for your shower, plus sugar strawberry exfoliating face wash. Available in a limited edition 200 milliliter jumbo value size. Use the soy gentle cleanser and remove makeup, and then the strawberry to exfoliate and refine pores. Exciting. Oh, I cannot wait to package this. Oh, I already took the bow off, but here's what it looked like. Super cute. Ooh, oh, they gave me like a little hair bow too. Wow, these are actually really big sizes. I love something with a pump bottle. Ooh, and then this is the face wash. Thank you so much, Fresh. I feel like I need to take a picture of this. I've been trying to be better about my skincare. And I also love this box. Y'all know how I am about boxes. Thank you to Fresh for that package. So I'm going to be probably showing these two. This is part of BoxyCharm's, let me figure out exactly what it's called. It's like a day that they do where if you are a member of BoxyCharm, you get all these like huge discounts. And I think one is coming up soon. I'll leave all the information down below if I have it. It's called Boxy Pop-Up, and it's in August is what it is. So it's a online members only shopping experience where you get to unlock deals up to 80% from top brands. And I don't know if some of these brands might be in that, but stay tuned for that. So the first one they sent over is Living Proof, the perfect hair day. This is a in-shower styler. It says it enhances texture and shine for air dried styles. I'm about the air dry life right now, I'm not gonna lie. Then we have the K Summerville Anti-Aging Derma Quench Liquid Lift. We have, ooh, I'm really excited about this too, the Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy. We have the Pericom MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye Cream. And then, ooh yeah, the Tidal Water Cream by Sunday Riley. So these are like very expensive brands. All these products are very expensive. So thank you so much to BoxyCharm for sending this over, and definitely check that out. I'll probably have more details coming soon on like an Instagram post or something. Next up is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is a lip and cheeks, let's see. Let me open it up. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Complexion Fit Corrector Concealer Highlighter. Let me open this. Ooh. So it's like one of the pen deals that you just, you know, normally it takes a little bit to get the product to the top. All right, so there we go. Oh, this is a pretty like peachy shade. That will be really good. Oh, now a lot more is coming out because I kept twisting it. There we go. Really pretty. So this is a concealer. And then we have the lip and cheek palettes. So let's try this. Ooh, it says velvet. Oh my gosh, really pretty. These are actually cream. Ooh, so you have like really pretty like coral, purple, bronze, and then 2 different pinks, and then like a mauve. So thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics. I cannot wait to try these products out. Oh, and they also sent over a brush too. All right, next package we have came from Essence. Okay, this is, oh, there we go. I'm like, this is some hardcore packaging. Okay, ooh, what is this? Oh, are these like coasters? Are they coasters with palettes? I think that's what they are. Okay, hold on. I'm like, where is the... Okay, so I think these are supposed to be like coasters with palettes, maybe. That's what they look like to me. Am I crazy? Okay, so this is the Essence Earth palette. Really pretty shades. So these are more like earthy natural tones. Then we have the Essence Fire. Oh, look, this is cute. So on the back, it has like fire. Ooh, yes, very warm tones. Then we have the Essence, ooh, this one's really, really pretty on the bottom. This is the Essence Air palette. These are more like holographic-y shimmer shades, it looks like. Then lastly, ooh, pretty. This is the Essence Water palette. Pretty blues. Thank you so much to Essence for that package. Thank you so much. Okay, last package is from Ofra Cosmetics. And we have, ooh, 2 different lip glosses in the shade Bali and Bear. And then we have 2 different signature palettes. So the first one is called the Signature Palette in Getaway. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, this is my kind of like everyday palette. Really neutral shades with a little bit of like a rosy pink shimmer shade. I love that. That's in the shade Getaway. And then the second one is in the shade Beachside. I'm excited to see what this one looks like. Ooh, look how pretty and bright these colors are. This is like a lily lover's dream because you guys know I love wearing lily, and these bright colors definitely match. So a big thank you to Ofra Cosmetics for that package. And you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this week's mail haul. As always, thank you so very much for watching. I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.